The on streaming device. Are you looking for one app? One app with movies and TV shows, one app for live TV, one app for sports, all on your on streaming device, on applications you can't find in the App Store? Follow along and I'll show you how. First thing we need to do is check out one setting to make sure these apps will work properly. Head over, use your remote, click to the right and head over to the setting icon, the little cog wheel up top, and select on it. We're going to come down to privacy, select on it, and then we can come down to security at the very bottom of our page and just select security. Scan apps with Play Protect. Make sure we have this off so that our applications that we may have downloaded do not disappear after a certain amount of time. So once that's done, we can just hit the home button on the remote. And now we just need to download one application to find all these amazing apps that we can install. So we can either just hit the apps icon and come down, and in search apps, we can select it with our remote. And we can either just type in the word or use the voice to text, which might be easier. Downloader. And we have results for downloader. Downloader is this orange icon. Select it and install it onto our device. This gives the device ability to sideload applications that may not be available in the App Store. We'll need to say accept, and then here we can click install. This will automatically install the application onto our device. Now we can just hit open and select onto it. Downloader does have a little quick start guide, which you can read through, or just click the center button on your remote to click OK. And now Downloader works just like a web browser, so we could enter any URL like https://ledbytheunknown.com, or I have a short code for you, and it's way quicker. So we can hit the select button and select again. And Downloader brings up a keyboard for us to enter this short code. So we need to just come down and hit the number buttons symbol. And we'll just type in 3701778. And then go down and hit the enter button or go. And this will direct us right to the Led by the Unknown's website to its downloads section. Once the 5-second redirect is over, we can go up to the very top to the 3-line button up there, and we can add this page to our favorites. Click on it, and it gives us the option to name it, and then click save. So anytime you want to come here, instead of entering the short code, you can just come to the favorites section, and it'll automatically connect to the web. It'll automatically bring it up to the web page. I always suggest getting yourself a nice reliable VPN. IPVanish currently has a great discount. Get out your phone, scan this QR code on your TV, and sign up today. Protect your online privacy. So our remote works just like a mouse. And this little red circle is our cursor. So we can hit down, go up, left, and right. And then the select button is our click button, and we just highlight the X, click it out. Same with this one, click it out. Now on this web page, we can find a bunch of apps and some tutorials to go through to help with your selection. So here we have movies and TV shows, the best apps, the one app we're always looking for. We can click on this little blue button for film. It automatically downloads it to our device. We can click install. Install unknown apps. Currently, Downloader is not authorized to install an application. So we just highlight Downloader and turn it on. It's as easy as that. Some people call this jailbreaking. It's not. It's just enabling one option to sideload applications onto the device. So we have now enabled downloader. Now it's like, do you want to install the app? Yes, we do. Click install. And then we can just click done because we don't need it quite yet. If we still have this screen up, you can just back out once. And here it gives us the option to delete the installation file. And yes, confirm the delete. We don't need the installation file taking up space on our device. The second app I would definitely click on is IPVanish to get it onto your device if you do not already have a VPN installed. Same thing, download it to your device. Once it's downloaded, click install. And once it's installed, we can just highlight done and click on it. And again, delete the installation file and confirm the delete. Now we got the one app we really wanted for our device. Let's go to the home screen and find out where these apps have gone. So if we come down to our actually app section here, put them right down at the end. Let's figure out how to turn on IPVanish and get this stuff to work. We can click on IPVanish. Use your device, your phone, to set up an account and use your credentials from that account to log in. And I'll do that now. Now that we've entered our credentials, we can just click the login. Now IPVanish does have a 30-day money-back guarantee and one password, one login for all your devices to save everything in your family and household. So here we can just auto connect if you wanted to, or if we need to geolocate ourselves to say where our main event is, we can do that quickly. Connect requested, come down and say okay. And it connected me straight to Toronto, probably my nearest location. Down in the bottom left here is the little map icon. We can select onto it. And here we get the fastest available. We go by countries or by cities. And say if we have something, game in Boston, we can just highlight Boston. We can favorite Boston. Now the little star is on. Then we can highlight it and say connect to Boston. You can do this throughout the entire world to geolocate your device to the latest location you'd like to be. So now we're connected to Boston. Under the settings icon, we can come here and auto connect it upon start. So as soon as your device turns on, you can automatically have it set up. Or we can come down and use something called split tunneling. We can turn it on. Up here, we would click on user apps. And this gives you a list of all the applications that are on your device. So say if at home you have Disney, Netflix or something, you can turn it on right there. And the application will use your normal IP address, just tunnel through instead of the VPN. This gives you the ability for your application to stay within your home country, or on the flip side, flip it out of the country. And we back out of there. And of course, and some other options, we can turn on threat protection in order to keep any kind of